Welcome back. Today I'm going to make this Christmas ornament. I was looking for a piece of burl that had a natural void in it, but I couldn't find one, so I decided to make my own. I'll show you how I did it in the video, and I want to thank everybody who entered the Christmas ornament challenge that Alan and I put on. Lots of great entries. Thank you so much, guys. All right, let's get started on this one. Help support the companies that support our community.
The city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere inside. And all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know the candlelight, 'cause his love is all I need, and my love I can guarantee. So please Santa, bring back my love tonight. By my side, but it's not the same. Santa, I'm smiling but feeling empty inside, 'cause all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride, and I will wait here by the candlelight. 'Cause his love is all I need, and my love I can guarantee. So please Santa, bring back my love tonight. Oh, 'cause his love is all I need, and my love I can guarantee. So please Santa, bring back my love tonight. Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
All right, the hook's all glued in there, so I'm gonna wait to glue this on until I get the little star in there. So I kind of measured where it's supposed to be. This is fishing line, so I'm gonna tie it, and it's not very big, how long it needs to be, about like that, so it hangs down in the center. So I'm just gonna tie this and try and get it the right size. All right, it took me a couple times to get the right length, but hopefully this is it. I had to keep shortening it down. Slide it in there. Try and hook this on it. Okay, I think that took me the most time, is trying to figure out the right length on that and to tie the knot. All right, I'm just gonna put a little teeny bit of medium CA around here, and then pop it together. I'm gonna try and do this with a paper towel so I don't get it all over the place and my fingers. There we go, it's all dry, set up. I just put a piece of ribbon around it to hang it by. The sphere's about 3.5 inches in diameter. And I did this for the guys at Easy Wood. They asked me if I'd do an ornament for their tree there at the shop. So this is for you guys, hope you like it. As far as making your own natural void like that, it's really, if you're hollowing something out, it's so much easier if you can see down inside of it. So I just used Forstner bits, went down into it about 1/4 inch or so, and then hollowed it out. And when you're turning it on the lathe, you can look right down over the top of it and see right where your tool's cutting to get the wall thickness even. It's so much easier. About halfway through making this, I thought, why not drill them from both sides and do something like a vase or something, and then when you were done, you would just have solid wood on the sides. You can even drill in 3 different spots and do really cool shapes, but it's really pretty easy. I just took that little torch. If you wait till the very end of the video, it catches on fire. The torch does. And just kind of make it look natural. You don't have to do that, but I thought it gave a little bit of a depth. The only thing is I used that that metal paste on it, and it's really kind of hard to tell the difference between the maple and the gold in there. So I thought if I did another one, I would do it out of walnut, and then that way there'd be a really nice contrast between the outside and the inside. But I really like the way it came out, and I really like that idea of doing that. I want to do it on some different pieces. Again, guys, thank you to everybody that entered the Christmas Ornament Challenge. Thank you so much. I will put a link over down below in the description to Alan's channel, so you can go see all the entries. And one other thing, I know it's way early, but end of January we are going to be in Chandler, Arizona at the Woodcraft for their annual event. I'll start posting some updates and stuff. I believe it's the 26th, Saturday the 26th of January. We are taking the mobile shop down there. So if you're in that area, please stop by. I know there's a lot of snowbirds down there, so please stop by the shop. I'll put a link down below to their website too, and they also have a Facebook page too, so I'll put a link down below to that. All right, if this is your first time here, please hit the subscribe button and ring that bell, and there's a link down below in the description too. Go over and follow us on Instagram. All right, till next week, take care.
Whoa! Where did it catch? Oh, it got too hot.
No,
Okay, quit playing with it. God. Oh no, I didn't realize it was still recording.